Hello and good day and welcome back to Metaverse and Crypto. This is Gordon here for another update. Today we're going to cover Y5 again, one of my favorite tokens. Remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and look into the tokens before you buy. Also, if you like my content, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button for this video. I'd appreciate that very much. And tell your friends and they can come and join us here for some conversation at Metaverse and Crypto. Finally, if you're interested in some podcasts, my brother and I have created the Tremaniac Brothers Crypto Straight Talk over at his website, theblogemporium.com, where you can get 5 to 15 minute bites of crypto news from us. If you're interested in that, check it out, please. So the news on Y5, we're going to cover the 4 exchanges, the central exchanges that are going to list the trader token on. We're also going to cover just kind of a little bit look at the wealth token and the trader token, look at the kind of how they're doing in the market, and also look at the buyback and burn at the end on how we're doing on the wealth token and how that's going with the new trader token and being accessed into these central exchanges with the trader token going live. So Bradley, the CEO, has mentioned that the Y5 trader token will be going live on up to 30 exchanges throughout the next half year or so. Within June here, they've announced 4 of these coming. The first one here is listed at Coinsbit. It's already live and active, as you can see. June 13th, the token was available on Coinsbit and has been able for trading going forward on that. I actually signed up at Coinsbit just to see this, and there was actually a bit of arbitrage opportunity available for the token. It was down to about 50-60 cents on pancake swap, and at Coinsbit it was up at 80 cents, so you could have got a bit of arbitrage on this early on, but it's now evened out, and the prices are quite similar between the exchanges that are going on right now. The second exchange, which the Y5 Trader token has been launched on, is DYOR. It's already available there as well. June 15th was the launch date for this trader token on the exchange, and there's been a smooth launch as well. They also have taken out the platinum packages for marketing on all 4 of these exchanges, so we should get some excellent action and volume on these tokens initially. Now, the third exchange, BKEX, is listing for the Y5 Trader token. This one, deposit, as you can see here, was happened on June 16th, trading on the 17th, and you're able to withdraw just yesterday on the 18th. I'm recording this on June 19th. So this listing was a third one. I'm not overly familiar with this exchange, but the Y5 team has chosen these initial exchanges due to the fact of their location, so they can get into different markets. So me not really knowing this one is more so that maybe there's a different part of the world that has access to it, so they're actually strategically choosing these early exchanges in order to create more volume for different markets. And the final exchange of June here that is being listed for the Y5 Trader token is Bitmart. The deposit has already happened on the 18th of June, and the trading will happen tomorrow, June 20th, starting at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. So this will be sort of the final exchange, and looking forward to the additional volume that will be pushing towards the token. Unfortunately, we haven't seen, the upside of this for the wealth token or even the trader token, given the current market situation with Bitcoin going down and BB&B going down. It's kind of pushed the prices down, although Y5, both the wealth token and the trader token, have fared better than a number of other tokens that are on the BSC chain. It's just part of the game. When BNB goes down, it kind of pushes everything down on the chain as well as far as price action. So these new listings have helped the token out weather the storm a bit. They are down, but they are doing better than most of the other tokens currently. So finally, where is the best place to buy the Y5 Trader token? As you can see, there are some discrepancies or differences in the amount of tax that will be charged. Currently on PancakeSwap, you're charged 3%, and this is going to be reduced to 1% when the V2 Y5 exchange comes out, their own central exchange, and then when they actually move to their blockchain in about a year or so, the fees will go to 0%, and then it'll just be kind of the gas fees. Right now, I guess at Coinsbit, you're charged 3%, and this is just basically based on the fact, as you can see in the point here, that Coinsbit wants it the same way that it's listed in the kind of the contract. BKEX has a 1% tax on it. DigiFinex has a 1%, and Bitmart has a 1.5%. So it's slightly higher than the other exchanges. So you can get a better rate at some of the other exchanges, and of course you'll have to move it in. And then PancakeSwap currently has 3% as of June 19th, and again this will be going down to 1% when the Y5 Central Exchange is launched here, which I expect this to happen shortly. The current delay for the Central Exchange for Y5 is that the fiat on and off ramping, and this is just a partner process that the team can't move faster. When that happens, they'll be able to launch the V2 exchange. So now a quick look at the charts. If we see here the Y5 Wealth token, we had a good run up, and then with the Binance chain going down along with Bitcoin, it's kind of pushed everything back down, and you can see we've gone from about 17, almost 1800 down to about 1000 again. So the token is coming back a bit and keeps punching back up, so the strength is there relative to other tokens, as I've mentioned, but it has down a bit. Looking at the trader token, we can see it had a good run up off the launch, and as we've been launching the exchanges, we've seen it go a little ups and downs, and more downs recently as Bitcoin has bled off. It is still up almost 1.5, 1.8 times its initial launch of 30 cents, holding it at about 54 cents, so we can see where this will go as the volume increases. And finally, speaking of volume here, we have the buyback and burn wallet for the Y5 Wealth token. As you can see, typically we're doing around 10 billion burns before the launch of the trader token, and now we've initiated some larger burns in the last few days. We got up to 518 billion. This is over multiple days. The token's moved away from doing a daily burn at a specific time in order to ensure that no people are gaming this or buying in and getting advantage of this. So they're doing up to 7 burns a week, and it will be at random times now, so some of these are a bit larger, and we're looking forward to the dead wallet getting over 150 trillion tokens. We're just about 700 billion off that mark now, so that's it today for the update on the Y5 trader token. This is Gordon for Metaverse and Crypto. Thanks for joining me.